Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Coding with Harshil. So now in this video we will learn that how can we download the Sublime text editor for our HTML code. Okay, you can use the Notepad++ or Notepad also, and if you want to use software then you can also use the Visual Studio Code or Brackets or Atom, but I am preferring here uh, Sublime text. Okay, so I will in the Chrome and I will write here download Sublime text 3 editor. Okay, so guys, you can see here download Sublime text is there. Okay, and here in the first link I will go. Okay, download Sublime text. Okay, so you can see Sublime text 3 is the current version of the Sublime text. Okay, and that we have to download. Okay, so you can see here there is the OS for that, Windows is that, and Windows 64 and Linux is also there. Okay, so you can download anyone. Okay, I am downloading here in Windows. Okay, so I will click on the Windows. If you are in a Linux, then you can download the Linux. Okay, and if you have Windows 64-bit, then you can download according to that. Okay, so guys, my download is completed. Okay, so now I will open it. Okay, so it is asking for run it. Okay, so I will click on run. Now you can see here added to explore context menu in the Sublime text 3. I will click on the next. I will click on the install, and you can see installing process is almost done. Okay, and it's finished, and I will click on the finish to exit the setup. Okay, so I will click on the finish. Okay, so now if I go here and search the Sublime text 3, you can see here this is the Sublime text 3. Okay, if I click on that, okay, then Sublime text editor is opening. Okay, you can see here it is a Sublime text. Okay, so now you can see there is a file. Okay, and I am creating here just one for an example. Okay, I will create one new file. Okay, and I will save it on the desktop just for an example. Okay, I am saving as an index.html. Okay, a file is created that must be with extension .html. Okay, because we are learning the HTML, so .html extension is required. Okay, so don't forget that. So I will save it. Okay, so index.html is here, and I will increase the font size. Okay, okay, so now I will write the my HTML basic syntax. Okay, so I will write the first less than symbol and then HTML. If I press, then you can see this is the call emet. Okay, and this will automatically write the our basic syntax. Okay, you can see first is the HTML, and here doc type HTML. This shows that it is the HTML5. Okay, now then comes the head part. Okay, means here you can see this is comes in the head part. It is the title, download Sublime text. Okay, so this is the title, and that is come in the head part. Okay, so this is the title. Okay, then we have closed the head tag. Okay, then comes the body tag. Means in the body tag you can see here that Sublime text, download by, support, and all the things comes in the body tag. Okay, here it has added it, means animated it. Okay, and so the content is this. Okay, we will write the content in this body tag. Okay, so I will write that as a test as a title. Okay, so now comes to the body part. Okay, and I will write here h1. Okay, and if I want to close that, then it will automatically close. See, less than p, close it. First part is completed, then second part forward slash, and it will automatically complete it. Okay, so I will write here this is heading. Okay, sorry, and this is p tag. Okay, so I will save it by Control S and I will go to my desktop. Okay, so you can see index.html is there. I will open it. Okay, so you can say it's loading and you can see the test is there, and this is heading and this is p tag, you can see here. So this is how we can run our basic first HTML code. Okay, so guys, I will go to in the details in the next video. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like this video, and if you have any query related to downloading and installing this Sublime text, then you can ask me. So guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next time.